A Bitkratic is 2 years old decentralized exchange. All transactions are done through the smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Bitkratic use the off-chain order book with on-chain settlement. More than 200 tokens are traded on the Bitkratic at this time. And in this video, I am going to share with you a BCTR token with only and only 28,000 supply.
Feel uninvited.
Here comes the awesome thing for all the traders. The BCTR token have only and only 28,000 supply and 25,000 BCTR to be sold, and 3,000 BCTR will be reserved for the reward activities. And you can purchase this token directly from the Bitkratic exchange. And right now you can also see one thing, that at this time the trading is ongoing, and secondly you can buy with minimum $100 or maximum up to $8,000. As we all know, it's the time for the decentralized exchanges, and Bitkratic is one of them, and the majority of the operations are being handled directly on the blockchain. Most importantly, a trader never has to let go of the ownership of their tokens or any type of coins, enabling the whole system to deal with money transfers and execute the trades in a trustless manner. Here you can see the entire contract address of the BCTR token and only 28,000 supply. So definitely this coin will reach at least $1,000 in coming future. At this time, if you want to purchase this token directly, you can come on the Bitkratic exchange. I will share the link in the description, so you can easily join the exchange first of all, and then simply you can purchase this token, because on the upper right side you will see the option of the buy BCTR. So you can easily purchase this token directly from the Bitkratic exchange at the price of $4 at the moment. But definitely the price will increase because number of people want to buy this token, and definitely the team is going to pump it very soon. The primary objective of BCTR token is to raise the quick funds for providing the liquidity and to perform the marketing activities for USDT and Ethereum pair, and also for the BCTR Ethereum trading pair. BCTR token is representing a revenue share of 50% of all the fees collected by Bitkratic. Here you can see the Bitkratic exchange and number of tokens are available, and first of all you definitely have to start the trading on the Bitkratic exchange, because it is 100% decentralized and your all funds will be in your hands. And also you can check out the entire team, because the entire team is available on the main platform, and you can directly message the team, and the team is definitely going to answer each and every question of yours. Now, the best part of the BCTR token, as I am telling you again and again, and I am giving you the inside story, and also I'm going to give you some hint about the BCTR price, because every trader only want to know about the price. They don't want to know about the project or anything. Now, it's the time about the price prediction. In the starting, as per my own price prediction about the BCTR, it will definitely touch about $100 or $150 in near future, in maximum next 2 weeks, or hardly in 3 weeks. But in maximum you can say 3 months or 4 months, it will reach up to $1,000. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, and you can buy this token at only $4 at the moment. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.